Alright class, today is behavior card day. This is a behavior card day that I made for myself. Sometimes it could be good and sometimes it could be bad. Ugh, this sucks. Why do behavior card day? Tom, be quiet. We're doing that and that is final. Candy told me that. Anyways, there's a total of 31 cards. Click on the link below to see the color legend. Now here are the cards.
I'm just doing ScreenCast-O-Matic because I don't know how to put this video back together, so I use ScreenCast-O-Matic instead.
Rock on! I got a rainbow card! Congratulations, Mega Man! You have been the best student ever! Go to Candy's office and make her proud! Yippee! I got a gold card! Great job, Mario! Go to the principal's office. Pikachu! I see you got a silver card, Pikachu. Go to the principal's office to claim your reward. Yay! I got a bronze card. Good job, Judy Hopps. Go to the principal's office and I'll see you in 2020. It's the best day ever! I got a purple card. Great job, SpongeBob. Go to the principal's office to claim your reward. Oh, yes. We got magenta cards. I think that means we get 2 months off. Right, Mr. Zack? Right, Robin, my bro. You get 2 months off. Go to the principal's office to claim your reward. Yes, I got a pink card. Good job, villager. Go to the principal's office. My spider sense is tingling. I got a navy blue card. That's good, Spider-Man. Go to the principal's office. Whee! I got a blue card. 1, it matches my ribbons. 2, it's my favorite color. Thank you so much, Mr. Zack. You're welcome, Bijou. Go to the principal's office.
That was my Bijou voice. I said in a high-pitched.
You are the best zebra teacher ever. I got a cyan card. Thank you so much for telling me I'm the awesomest zebra teacher and you deserve a kiss.
Hamtaro.
Mwah. Ooh, go to the principal's office to claim your reward. PK Starstorm! I got a turquoise card. Excellent job, Ness. Go to the principal's office. Yes, I got a forest green card. Good job, Rudolph. Go to the principal's office. Yes, I got a green card. Good job, Zerasuit Samus. Go to the principal's office. Yeah, baby. I got a chartreuse card. Good job, Dexter. Go to the principal's office. Not bad. We got lime cards. Okay, Gumby and Pokey. Go to the principal's office. Okay, me, Funshine, and Friend Bear got Aquamarine. Does that mean we get to go home early? Are we average? You can go home early. Still, go to the principal's office, Care Bears.
And I'll see you tomorrow.
Okay, I got white. Nothing happens to me. Right, Mr. Zack? Alright, Logan.
go find an empty seat. I think I'll go right over here.
I still see my Valentine candies.
Good spot, Logan. Aw, man. I got a beige card. Oh, I'm sorry, Panda. You're not in detention, though. We're just gonna have a talk after school, you and me. So please go to the principal's office and don't be afraid of Candy. She's a nice teddy bear. And she's a nice bear like you.
Okay, Mr. Zach.
Hey! I got a yellow card. Is that supposed to be a talk after school, Mr. Zach? No, it is not. Totodile, you have been a bad student. You keep forcing people to go up to the ceiling fan. And you have detention for 25 minutes. Go to Candy's office to claim your detention slip.
I hope you learn your lesson.
Grrr! Mr. Zach, how dare you give me that macaroni and cheese card? You liar. Howdy, how dare you call me a liar? You have detention for 1 hour. You kept farting and your jokes are so annoying. Go to the principal's office and I hope you learn your lesson. Aw, come on! I got an orange card. That's right, John. You have detention for 2 hours. You kept swearing, yelling at me, chewing gum, and drugs. Go to the principal's office right now. Great. Now my chances of getting a rainbow card from 0.000.01% because I got a tan card. That's your own fault, Xavier. You have detention for 5 hours. Go to the principal's office right now. Uh-oh. I got an acid card. That's right, alien guy. You have detention until school ends. You kept invading the planet. Go to the principal's office right now. This is the worst day of our lives. We got gunmetal cards. Now we have detention forever. Thanks a lot, Mr. Zach. Yeah, you're the terriblest teacher ever. You're right. You 3 dragons have detention forever. You kept breathing fire, which nearly burned down the school. Go to the principal's office and enjoy your detention. Ouch. Me and White Bear got Terrence cards. That's right, White Bear and Brown Bear. You 2 bad bears are suspended for 3 days. You kept making fake VHS openings on my school computer. Go to the principal's office right now. Oops. I got a maroon card. That's right, Mummy. Go to the principal's office right now to claim your 5-day suspension slip. Why is this happening to us? Me and Bradley got scarlet cards. I'll tell you why this keeps happening to you, Dog and Bradley. You 2 kept peeing in the school. You 2 bad dogs are suspended for a week. Now go to Candy's office right now. Oh no, I got a red card. It matches the color of me. That's right, Billy. You are suspended for 2 weeks. You kept helping Tom make videos out of good users. Go to the principal's office right now. What did I do to deserve that gray card? It's because you kept blowing up the school and you're suspended for a month. Now go to the principal's office right now. Oh no, I'm almost in dead meat. I got a brown card. You're right, Dracula. You're suspended for a year. You force people to suck their blood, even my blood. Go to the principal's office right now. You're in big trouble when you get home. Mr. Zach,
Anything you want to tell me about, Tom?
I got a black card. Yeah, so what? May I please have another chance?
Warning, the next scene is scary. If you don't want to see it, that's okay. You can pause the video, watch another one, or skip to Candy's office. This is Zepro2, giving you the warning. I'm still warning you! In 3, 2, 1.
No, Tom! You are the worst student ever! You are much worse than Billy! This has gone too far. Go to Candy's office right now. I had enough of you. Oh. Alright, Tom. Why are you here? I got a black card. Alright, let me see what it means. Tom, you should have tried your hardest. You are expelled from this school. Go home now. Oh my god, Tom, I cannot believe that you got in debt meat and expelled forever. That's it. You're grounded for life. Now go to your room now. I never expect that to happen.
Thanks for watching.